This is about not perfection, not you're going to ruin something, because everything we add is beauty. So you might not see the color I'm bringing out right now, just like I can't see all the colors you bring, but it's creating a beautiful atmosphere in the space. You can go observe what other people are doing, or you can listen to the Holy Spirit, and I mean, you will have some pretty intense encounters. And again, it's not about perfection, it's kind of like abstract playing. So you can drop water. I mean, there's just so many things you can do. Whatever you guys want. Okay, there's no rules.
It's a word.
Okay. So, what do you think?
I think it's gonna be fun.
So the hand art is you're going to trace your hand, okay, any place on the paper with color you choose. So you're going to write in your hand what you have to give to the world. And you might not even know, but ask Holy Spirit, He's going to show you and you're going to be amazed. So with the small brush, or you could do large. I was thinking the smaller, and you're going to write a lie on there. So what is a lie that you've been believing that the Holy Spirit wants to point out to you? And then after you do that, then you're going to glue a piece of tissue over the top, and He's going to replace it with the truth. So 16, yep, is creating something. So you choose anything from here. I don't know why, but I felt like the Lord, I'm doing something with this. I have a whole bunch of these. But there's something significant about this, and I had a vision about the I am. And He showed me the head and the body. And we stand in the I am of all that's been provided. So it's kind of crazy when you think about it. But I brought this, and I don't know why, but maybe someone's going to encounter that. All you're going to do is you're going to connect. And your connecting can be just by joining, two images together. So however you want, however you see to connect. I love how serious you are.
So we're just doing one out of here, right?
No, however you want to create. So there's washi tape, there's stamps, there's lots of things. So you just have fun.
Remove the cork, open the doors, let my glory flow, and then healing, restoring, quenching, reviving, declaring freedom. And just a picture of a heart, that's a key. Cool. So, I was like, I should have grabbed a bigger piece of wood.